Guys, today I'm going to show how to delete all unsubscribed mail in Gmail. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Yeah, first of all we need to enter into our mail Gmail. In the search bar you need to type unsubscribe and click enter, and it shows like all unsubscribed mail. In that you need to tap the filter icon and create a filter. Apply the label, just enable the apply label and choose the label name. Click it as new label and name it as whatever you want. Yeah, I named as unwanted email and just click create. Yeah, enable that, and also enable apply filter to matching conversation and click create filter. Now it shows like in unwanted email it shows 92 emails were unsubscribed emails. So now we are going to delete all the bunch of unwanted email in a second. For that, just select all and click delete. This is how we need to delete all the unwanted emails by grouping the unwanted mail in a label, and after that you can delete however you want. Like you can just go through whether you need anything, or else you can delete by selecting all the emails in a second. So I think it's almost 45 mails. I need to do it one more time, or else you can make all delete, or it will be shown on the side. You can click that to delete all the bunch of 95 or 1000 mails in a second. So this is how we need to delete. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.